Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia XZ2, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this smartphone. Firstly, go into settings and choose appearance. Over here you need to scroll down and select themes. Now pick the best one for you. I will go with pink one and choose apply theme. You can also, I'll go with cancel just for now. Click on this switcher next to wallpaper feature to keep your current wallpaper. But I want to change it, so I will go with change wallpaper as well. Click on apply theme and select OK in the pop-up. Now when I click home button, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!